Hey there, food lovers and history buffs. Today we'll be taking a journey through time with 25 timeless African American recipes that will make you say, I'll take a trip back to the future. These recipes are not just delicious. They pay tribute to the culinary heritage of African Americans and their ancestors who brought these flavors to life. So, grab your aprons and get ready to taste the past. Starting off our countdown at number 25, we have baked mac and cheese. This isn't your average mac and cheese. It's a soulful symphony of elbow, macaroni, cheddar cheese, milk, and butter. The addition of salt, pepper, and paprika gives it a depth of flavor that will transport you straight to Grandma's kitchen. At number 24, we have candied yams. These aren't your ordinary sweet potatoes. Oh, no. Candied yams are a southern staple, slow cooked to perfection, and bathed in a rich, sweet syrup that will make your taste buds do the job. Number 23 brings us fried chicken. This crispy, juicy masterpiece is a testament to the African American tradition of making the most out of every ingredient. Whether it's fried, baked, or grilled, this dish is a true crowd pleaser. Gumbo reigns supreme at number 22. This hearty stew is a true celebration of African, Native American, and French influences, combining chicken or sausage with a rich, flavorful broth. That's perfect for a cold day. Number 21 on our list is greens, a soulful side dish that's made with collard greens, mustard greens, or turnip greens. These leafy greens are simmered to perfection, often with smoked meat, creating a dish that's as comforting as it is nutritious. At number 20, we have cornbread, a classic southern side dish that's both sweet and savory. This dish is a staple at many family gatherings, and its crumbly texture and rich flavor are sure to please even the pickiest eaters. Next up at number 19 is Hoppin John. This soul-stirring rice dish is a must-have for New Year's Day, with black-eyed peas, bacon, and a touch of vinegar. It's a tasty blend of tradition and good luck. Red beans and rice takes center stage at number 8. This flavorful dish is a true New Orleans gem, combining the heartiness of beans with the fluffiness of rice for a meal that is as satisfying as it is delicious. Number 17 leads us to jambalaya, a spicy rice-based dish that's perfect for a Cajun or Creole-inspired feast, with chicken, sausage, and shrimp. This one-pot wonder is a true flavor powerhouse. Smothered pork chops graces our list at number 16. This dish is a soulful combination of pork chops, tomatoes, onions, and peppers that's slow cooked to keep the family coming back for more. Oxtails hold the spotlight at number 15. These humble cuts of meat are braised to melt in your mouth. Perfection, creating a dish that's as comforting as it is flavorful. Number 14 brings us chitlins, also known as These crispy, savory treats are a true Southern delicacy. While they might not be everyone's cup of tea, they're definitely worth a try for the adventurous eaters out there. At number 13, we have black-eyed pea soup, a comforting and flavorful soup that's perfect for a chilly day. With black-eyed peas, ham, hocks, and a touch of spice, this soup is a true soul warmer. Sweet potato pie shines at number 12. This dish is a delightful twist on traditional pumpkin pie, offering a smoother, sweeter, and more velvety texture that will make you forget all about the original. Number 11 introduces us to banana pudding, a classic southern dessert that layers vanilla wafers, bananas, and a creamy pudding. It's a symphony of textures and flavors that will leave you wanting more. Peach cobbler takes the stage at number 10. This warm, bubbly dessert features juicy peaches topped with a buttery, crumbly cobbler that's as comforting as it is delicious. Number 9 leads us to derby pie, a decadent chocolate and pecan pie that's a must-have for any special occasion. With a rich, smooth filling and a pecan-studded crust, this pie is truly a show. At number 8, we have chess pie, a simple yet deeply flavorful custard pie that's perfect for any gathering. With its golden-hued filling and flaky crust, this pie is a true Southern gem. Number 7 brings us pound cake, a dense, moist, and buttery cake that's perfect for breakfast, brunch, or an afternoon tea. With its classic vanilla flavor and elegant crumb, this cake is a timeless delight. Red velvet cake takes center stage at number 6. This moist, velvety cake is a true showstopper with its deep red hue and cream cheese frosting. It's a decadent treat that's sure to impress. Number 5 leads us to Soul Food Sunday, a feast for the senses and the soul. This traditional meal usually includes fried chicken, collard greens, candied yams, and cornbread, offering a comforting and nostalgic experience. At number 4, we have chicken and waffles, a soul-satisfying combo that pairs crispy fried chicken with fluffy waffles. It's a match made in heaven that's perfect for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Number 3 on our list is shrimp and grits, a Lowcountry classic that combines the flavors of the Lowcountry. Creamy grits are topped with succulent shrimp and a rich, flavorful sauce for a dish that's both comforting and elegant. Runny, cheesy eggs takes the spotlight at number 2. This dish is a testament to the African American tradition of making the most out of simple ingredients. With eggs, cheese, and whatever else you have on hand, this dish is as versatile as it is delicious. And finally, at number 1, the crown jewel of African American cuisine, we have watermelon, a refreshing, juicy, and sweet treat that's perfect for any occasion. This dish is a true celebration of summer and a reminder of the simple pleasures in life. And there you have it, food lovers! A culinary journey through time with 25 timeless African American recipes that will make you say, I'll take a trip back to the future. Which dish will you try first? Let us know in the comments below.